Hi everyone, today with me, Mr. Adrian here from Kairos Capital. For your information, Mr. Adrian will be joining us as one of the guest speakers during our Business Financing Awareness Day 2024, which will be held on 23rd of October 2024. We are going to conduct the event in MRANTI here. It will be very interesting event where we have a lot of guest speakers, and definitely Mr. Adrian will going to share on his forte on the private equity as well as venture capital. Maybe Adrian, you can share a bit what the participant can expect from the session with you.
Okay, so what I'm going to talk about is how to attract private equity to invest millions into your company.
Great.
We'll tell exactly what they want to see in your business, but I won't tell the details. Come over to the event.
Yeah, you must come. Otherwise, you won't know the details. So with that, thank you so much, Adrian.
No problem.
Look forward to meet you on 23rd October 2024. See you. Bye.
See you guys there.
Bye.